What's good, YouTube? We're back with another full training video, and today's session was with CF Barceloneta, one of two semi-pro teams that I'm training with here in Barcelona. It was a pretty standard session. I was the only goalkeeper, so I didn't get any solo work or any specific drills, but there was a really high volume of shot stopping as the team did a lot of finishing and a good scrimmage at the end. I personally did not have a very good training session, which is partly because I had no other goalkeepers and no coach to warm up with, but that's no excuse when I'm holding myself to a professional standard in order to reach that level. I felt like my footwork was sloppy, my handling wasn't very good, and I wasn't really up to it in my focus. But that's part of the game, and those are the reps that make us better. Enjoy the session.
Venga, Raúl, vete a tu casa. Julio, que hacía una carrera.
Fuera. Medio movilidad también. ¡Vamos, Ibra! ¡La niña! ¡Sí! ¡Mira! Aquí si quieres. ¡Ya! ¡Bueno, eso es! ¡Bien!